Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class today. Today we are going to solve some activities in our EVS activity book. We have already completed 4 pages in this book. Now we will do the exercises for the sense organ topic. So teacher will explain you one by one and you are going to do it like that. You are going to click the photograph and you are going to send it to me. Okay, so come, let's start. This is page number 6. You are going to open this page and we will start now. Let's start with reading the heading. Circle the body parts needed to do these activities. Now there are many activities given here. Like the first one is that boy is writing something. The girl is eating the ice cream. The girl who is wearing a green top is reading a book. Then that boy with the yellow t-shirt and the orange jacket, he is listening to the music. And the last girl is smelling a flower which is red in color. So which action are given over here? We have to think for doing that action what body part is used, and that body part you are going to circle it. Now let's come to the first action. This one. The boy is writing. Yes. So he is writing with the hands. Now which is the hand picture? Here. So you are going to circle hands like this. So we write with our hands. Then the second picture is eating. The girl is eating. So we eat with our mouth. Yes. So is this the mouth picture? No, not this. This here. The mouth picture is here. So we are going to circle the mouth. Because we eat with our mouth. We taste with our tongue. This girl is reading. So for reading, she needs her eyes. So here is the eye picture. So you are going to circle the eye. Now this boy is so happy he is listening to music. Listening to music is a very good activity. It makes our body, our mind very calm. So for this action, will he use his mouth for listening? No. Will he use his eye for this? No. Will this boy listen to the music with the nose? No. So this boy is going to use his ears. So correct answer is ears. He will use his ears to listen to the music. Now this girl is smelling this flower and the flower is near the nose. So she is smelling the flower through the nose. So nicely you are going to circle this. Here you are going to write today's date. Today is 29th of July 2020. You are going to write the full date. Now coming to the next page. So the heading goes like this. Look at the senses. Circle the things they help you do. Now there are 4 sense organs given here. Eyes, tongue, ears and nose. The 5th sense organ is skin, which is not given here. It's okay. So we are going to do the action. We'll see the action or we'll see the things what are given to us. And we will think okay, for which sense organ, which object will go properly. Okay, come let's do. Eyes. What we do with the eyes? We see with the eyes. We see with our eyes. Now, there are 3 things given over here. So now which picture can go with the eye? This is the computer. Yes, we work on the computer. We have to look at the computer. We need to see the computer. So, computer is correct. Now, this cup is very, very hot. See the vapors coming out over here. So, that is very hot. So, वो hot है, वो हमें हमारा skin बताता है, not the eyes. So, we are not going to circle it. The next is book. Yes, we need our eyes to read the book. So, we are going to circle the book over here. Correct? So, we have circled two things where we use our eyes. Now, coming down to tongue. Now, there are three pictures given over here. There's an ice cream, there's a bunch of grapes, and there's a wristwatch. Now this is very simple. Now we taste with our tongue. So we can taste the ice cream with the tongue, and we can eat or we can taste the grapes with the tongue. But do we taste the wristwatch? No, we are not going to circle the wristwatch because we cannot taste the wristwatch. So the third one is ears, and there are three pictures given over here. There's a telephone, there's a cake, and there's a bell. So we listen or we hear with our ears. So we can listen to the telephone ringing and we can listen to the bell ringing. So these two pictures you are going to circle it. Now coming down to nose. We smell with our nose. So can we smell the kite? No, we cannot smell the kite. We can only fly the kite and we can see the kite flying. Soap. Yes, soap has a nice smell. When we take the bath, we can smell the soap. So we are going to circle the picture of soap. Rose. Rose is the king of the flowers, and rose has a very, very nice smell. So we use our nose for smelling. So you are going to circle the soap and the rose flower. So this activity is also done. Here again you are going to write the same date. What is the date? Come, let's write 29.7.2020. So whichever page we are doing, writing the date is very, very important for us. Now coming to page 8. The heading goes like this. Circle the things you can smell. Now with which body part do we smell? We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. So do we smell the rose flower? Yes. So we are going to circle this rose flower. Can we smell the pigeon? No, we cannot smell the pigeon. Pigeon doesn't have any smell. Perfume. Wow. Perfume has a very, very sweet smell. Whenever we go out, we spray perfume. So, perfume has a nice smell. Yes, we can smell the perfume. Soap. Yes, soap has a nice smell. We can smell the soap nicely. House. Does house has any smell? No, house doesn't have any smell. These are the agarbatti sticks or the incense sticks. Yes, they have a nice smell. So we are going to circle the incense stick also. Now there's a tape recorder here. Does tape recorder have any smell? No, tape recorder doesn't have any smell. So you are going to do this 3 pages and you are going to click the photograph and send it to me. These activities are related to your sense organs. We have already learnt the 5 sense organs. So this is a revision for that. Do it nicely and send the pictures to me. Write the date, write the day. You can also write Wednesday. Below that date line you can write Wednesday also. And daily teacher is going to give you some practice work which you are going to do by yourself. No mama, papa is going to write in your book. You should learn from this video and you are going to do it in your books. Teacher will come to know if your mama is writing in the book. Because teacher can identify किसका कौन किस कैसे लिखता है, किसका writing है, मुझे पता चल जाएगा. So you are not going, you can take the help of your parents, but you are going to write by yourself. Okay, do this exercise and take care. Bye. Thank you, my dear children.